Meaning of drop scone.
Drop scone.
Drop scone.
Drop scone.
Drop scone. A drop scone is a type of small, thick pancake or griddle cake that is made from a batter consisting of flour, eggs, milk, and sugar. The batter is dropped by spoonfuls onto a hot griddle or frying pan, where it is cooked until golden brown on both sides. The resulting drop scones are fluffy and moist, with a slightly sweet flavor and a texture that is both tender and crumbly. They are often served for breakfast or brunch, either on their own or topped with butter, syrup, jam, or other sweet or savory toppings.